In today's fast-paced world of social media, standing out is harder than ever. But tools like ElevenLabs AI are giving creators a powerful advantage by making high-quality voiceovers easy, fast, and incredibly realistic. If you're a content creator, a small business owner, or someone who posts consistently on platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, ElevenLabs can help you take your content to a whole new level. ElevenLabs uses advanced AI speech synthesis to convert any text into natural, expressive voice narration. This is a game changer for social media because not everyone has the confidence, equipment, or quiet environment needed to record their own voice. With ElevenLabs, you simply write your script, choose a voice, and get a clean, polished narration in seconds. The voices sound human, emotional, and smooth, perfect for storytelling, tutorials, motivational videos, explainers, and quick informative clips. Another powerful feature is voice cloning. If you want your content to have a consistent signature sound, you can clone your own voice or create a custom one that fits your brand. This is especially useful for creators who want familiarity and personality in their content, but don't have time to record every day. Fans begin to recognize your voice, and your videos start to feel more cohesive and professional. ElevenLabs is also excellent for creators who produce multiple types of content. Whether you're making aesthetic videos with quotes, inspirational reels, product showcases, list-style content, or storytelling videos, you can instantly switch between voices to match the mood. Use a soft, calm voice for relaxing content, a bold, energetic voice for motivational posts, or a friendly, casual tone for lifestyle videos. The flexibility makes it easier to experiment without re-recording over and over. For businesses, ElevenLabs helps maintain brand consistency. You can create voiceovers for ads, announcements, short promos, and social media campaigns that sound sharp and professional. This is especially helpful for small brands that want high-quality audio but don't have access to voice actors or audio studios. If you create content in multiple languages, ElevenLabs makes it even easier to reach global audiences. You can generate the same video script in different languages, helping you expand to new viewers without extra cost or effort. This is ideal for creators who want to grow internationally or build multilingual communities. Of course, AI isn't a replacement for your creativity. You'll still need strong scripting, storytelling, and visuals. But by letting the AI handle narration, you save time, reduce stress, and stay consistent, which is the most important factor in growing on social media. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on using AI tools for content creation, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.